Hi everyone, welcome to Bulunmaz YouTube channel. I will make a eternal mirror for you with combining two of our beautiful tools. You can see in my hand two of our very popular diamond tools. One is 3mm 180 mirror tool and the second one is 3mm circle tool. I will combine two of these tools and make our eternal mirror model. I will make on a bangle because I need a big surface for my eternal mirror model. We are using our Bulunmaz Micromotor. That's a 50,000 RPM high power, high speed, high precision micromotor for jewelry industry. All you need to do is unlock the micromotor handpiece and insert your diamond tool carefully. Then you just lock 2 times and your micromotor is ready for the operation. I'm using a diamond tool, that's why I will use my micromotor in maximum speed of 50,000 RPM. We are manufacturing diamond tools for many years, that's why we have to use the best diamond available in the market. And that will give you the maximum shine on your jewelry pieces. I covered some part of my bangle with our 3mm circle tool, so the half of the eternal mirror is completed. Our 3mm circle tool is basically turning around to make these beautiful circles. I'm just taking out my circle tool and the second tool is 3mm 180 degree mirror tool. I will again need the maximum RPM for this diamond tool, so I use my micromotor at maximum speed. Now all I need to do is make mirror cuts right in the middle of my circles. So when the cut is completed, you will have my eternal mirror model on my bangle. I completed quickly combining my 3mm circle tool and 3mm 180 degree mirror tool. And you can see my eternal mirror model is completed. I just worked on some part of my bangle because it will take a longer time if I complete all my bangle. I hope you liked our eternal mirror model. Don't forget we have more than 300 different hand tool models and you can combine it with our Bulunmaz micromotor and make beautiful designs on your jewelry. If you want to order the 3mm circle tool and 3mm 180 degree mirror tool and combine them to make our eternal mirror model, just contact to our sales guys and we will send you your set immediately. I hope you are enjoying our jewelry videos on Bulunmaz YouTube channel. If you do so, don't forget to subscribe our videos. Thank you very much for your time. See you again in the next videos.